Hello everyone, welcome to CRG Racing Team. We are at the WSK Final Cup, the last round in South Carolina karting, and I present to you the CRG KT2 frame for OK direct drive classes for 2026. It's a 30mm tube. We've done a lot of work this year regarding high grip tracks, low grip tracks for all the different types of tires that you use to make it easy for the drivers to make the best out of their own performance. All the accessories are made in-house in CRG for the best performance, reliability and top quality. And as always, the CRG kart is very easy, as we said, to adapt to the tracks with all the different kinds of setups you can do. We have the traditional sniper system of the CRG to easily make caster and adjust the camber. We have the different types of setups for steering columns, ride heights, different axles, wheelbases, everything for your needs. And to find out more about your future CRG or all accessories, visit kartcrg.com. Also there you can find a dealer close to you.